Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I made shakshuka. In a pan, add oil, add onions, fry until they are golden brown. Add your tomatoes and fry on a medium heat. Fry them until they are cooked. If this is your first time to visit my channel, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Add turmeric 1 teaspoon, paprika 1 teaspoon. Add some salt to taste. Keep mixing, and then it's time to add your eggs. Add your eggs one by one, and you can space them out like this. Also, do not forget to hit that notification button so that you are notified whenever I post a new video. Add cilantro and cover, let it cook. And now our shakshuka is ready. I had made some rice on this side, and you can eat this with bread or anything you want, but as for me, I ate with rice. As you can see here, it's very delicious and very aromatic. Thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you for watching my video. See you on my next one.